doing today? I'm here with a new video. This is based on requests you guys made. In this case, I have an HP laptop Pavilion. This one is a model number. It's HP 15-CW1012. That's the model for this one. So people want to know how to upgrade their RAMs or remove the RAM, and what's the proper way of putting the RAM inside. So let's get into it. First thing first, I'm going to show you guys the set I use. I use the iFixit tool set. I'll leave the link in the description. This is good and handy to have it around the house if you do lots of repair and you want to open your stuff to service or maintenance. The bits, they will last a really long time. So we're going to use this one and number 0, I believe. Number 0. And also we're going to be using an opening tool. You can either use the opening tool from here, or if you want to buy the set just this portion without the rest, you can use a guitar pick in order of using this one. This one just has a handle, the guitar pick doesn't have any. Alright, so let's get to it. Anyway, once you have your laptop, you want to flip it over. All you need to do to remove the legging, these plastic covers at the bottom, at the back end by the hinges, you want to lift it up. They have an adhesive tape on it. Put them to one side. Lift up gently the other one. Right, you want to remove the 2 screws on this side and 1 screw on the other side. The screws are all the same size, so don't worry about mismatching them. Next, you want to remove the 3 screws right on the front side of the laptop. Again, these 3 screws are all the same size. So 3 in front and 3 in the back. Once you have removed all the screws, all you need to do is open up your laptop in 45-degree angle, and you want to stick your guitar pick between the top and the bottom cover, right in the middle where the screw was. And you want to wiggle it around just like that. Do the side, and now you can put it down, left and right side. All I do, I put like about 2 or 3 millimeters inward, and I'm just wiggling it around. You can do the back if you want to. Do the corner. Alright. Now everything looks like a loosen up. There's a clips in the middle row. All you need to do to grab it and wiggle it around. A little bit twist, and it will come out. These are the clips right here. They just hold from the, I'm guessing from here. Alright, this is the bottom cover. You can just clean up the mesh if you want to. Alright, down here we have the RAMs right over here. In order to replace the RAMs, you don't need to remove the battery, but if you want to be extra cautious, remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and the battery will come out. Anyway, so let's get into the RAM. In order to remove the RAM, all you need to do is to pull these 2 triggers apart. So you want to pull it, and the RAM will just pop open in 45-degree angle. There you go. Now you can see the RAM, it just came out in 45-degree angle. And what you want to do, you want to grab it gently and just pull it in 45-degree angle. You don't want to yank it upward. You want to pull it in the same direction that it came out. Now you have the new RAM in. This is an 8 gig DDR4. What you want to do, again, you have the new RAM, put it in 45-degree angle, make sure the notch matches. If you put the other way around, it will not go through. All you need to do, 45 degree, make sure it goes all the way in, and then from the middle, just push down towards the motherboard. You're gonna hear 2 clicks. There. Now the RAM is in place. You want to put another RAM. If you have different RAM, just grab it. This is a 8 gig too. Put it right there in 45-degree angle, and then push it down. And that's how you want to pull it out. Pull the triggers, come out, easy. Alright, once you have the RAM in place, and the rest is going backward, just grab the bottom cover, just put it straight on top. Press the middle bit to grab those clips. Press the front side. Press the corners, the back end, the side, and that's it. And the last thing is to put the black screws at the back and the white ones at the front end. And that's how you replace your battery or upgrade your battery. And the main thing is, if you want to have a best configuration, is to go with an 8 and 8 gig. So you have dual channel memory. If you go 4 and 8, you get extra gigabyte, but you don't get the effect of dual channel. And the dual channel memory is much better than having unbalanced RAMs. There's nothing wrong with it, but if you want to have for gaming, it's highly recommended to have a dual channel RAM. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys liked it, click that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, requests, leave them in the comment area. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.